Wait a minute, because holy shit.
Oh yeah, save up.
So letting anybody put a stick on it? Oh, I don't have a
Alright.
stick. Alright.
Oh, it's fine. Alright, we're saved. Game saved. Alright, so we should be good now.
You guys just want to sleep?
Good, yeah.
Oh,
Just to get energy back? No, we'll be hungry. We'll be hungry. Fuck that.
I'm not really tired, but...
I got energy drinks for days.
Who stole my stick?
Alright, Dylan.
My stick.
If he says no,
Oh,
that's
the
it.
music's playing. Music's playing. I think this is it.
Oh,
Oh,
Riri?
really, Timmy?
Stay close.
Timmy, no! Okay.
Stay close, takes us fucking full speed ahead.
Jesus Christ.
This man's got stamina for days.
Chill out.
Oh, yeah. So we should get our crosses out.
Oh yeah, we're slowly getting to like lava and hell and shit.
Timmy was not with us last time.
What the fuck?
Oh. Oh. Yeah,
It's
yeah,
the
yeah. Get on your
demons.
cross. Hold up. Get on my cross.
Get him out.
Compel him, Bakey. Compel him.
Oh yeah, no
Okay.
shit, Timmy. Do not like the others. Feast.
Man,
Bro,
why is this homie running?
crazy?
Damn, bro. Chill out, Timmy. Whoa.
Bro, this dude's gotta stop walking this slow. Holy fuck.
Oh, he's got the revolver.
How's he running?
Yeah.
Oh, there's so many of them down here. There's like 6 of them. Jesus.
The power of Christ compel you.
Is it better to just get my shotgun out at this point? Like,
I don't know, man. That cross kills him really quick. Especially when we're all shooting him too.
Got the knockback. Oh, it hit me. Oh fuck. Wait, let me put my armor back on, bro. That shit almost killed me.
Bro, we're like crazy deep.
Man, let this retard run, man. Fuck him. Yeah, he waits for us anyway, so. Timmy,
Man's booking it.
my flashlight out. Fuck
Whoa.
Jesus.
This is new.
This is like literally fucking hell. Like literally.
Bro, holy shit.
Oh, look at these dudes, bro. Look at these dudes.
What dudes?
Yeah, they're
They're,
fucking
like,
gold.
worshipping.
Yeah. No, y'all don't fully light up like I do.
Yeah, no shit, Timmy. This looks old.
Ah.
That doesn't look safe. There's a bunch of wood chilling next to lava. Like that's
Yeah, I
not
was
gonna
supposed
burn
to.
up.
Hope they have fire. Take off.
Bro just ran through a rock like it was nothing.
Oh shit, who's he shooting at?
Timmy.
Demons.
Timmy.
Ow.
I think that the cross only affects one at a time.
Get flicked on, bitch.
Oh, I could be wrong.
It keeps fucking... Okay, well, he's dead. Oh, they're all dead.
One down here.
Oh,
Ow.
dude.
Oh, he fell down. Oh, that's tough.
Let me jump down and see what happens.
Motherfuckers
Bro,
are
why are all
gold,
the-
man. It's
yeah.
so weird. It's all completely new.
Mm.
Yeah, like what the fuck? Standing on sulfite. Ah, Timmy's just gotta be first, huh?
Hope he got stuck.
Yeah, because remember last time he
Wrong
just kind of
armor.
appeared out of nowhere on beta? Kind of really didn't make sense. Bro, y'all line up like
Oh, there's a bunch of them
Christmas
up
tree.
here.
Oh shit.
They ignored my cross.
Yeah, dude, the cross kills him so much quicker.
Ah, okay, fuck, bro. Oh shit, there's no one.
Oh, well, he died.
Yep, that sucks.
This is literally just going down a fucking hell. Oh, there's a bunch of lightning down here. We gotta jump across the lava river.
Oh my god, there's so many
No.
down there.
That. Not being compelled.
Oh, there's so many around you, dude. Stay compelled.
Yep.
Whoa.
Okay.
That's really fucking weird. Oh,
Playing this
Mason,
game really
we're
makes
about
me
to
want to
fight the
change
big
my
guy.
turn my faith to Jesus. The cross can save all.
Oh,
Holy shit.
ain't this it right here? We're about to fight him.
By who?
The big guy.
What big guy?
Oh, then you will
He's
see.
not being compelled.
Hey, yo!
This looks
Yo,
like a boss fight room.
Kimmy just ran, bro. Yeah, see the big guy.
Uh,
Oh shit, that's
Be
right.
compelled, bro. Get compelled.
Oh shit, Timmy's getting clapped. Oh shit, he's going beast mode. Get him, Timmy.
Timmy's
I'm
changing.
putting a sticky bomb on him. Run away! Get him, Timmy.
Dude,
Oh,
we're
Timmy's
live.
going bananas, bro.
Oh shit, he
Oh,
just got
shit.
fucking tossed. Oh fuck.
Compel him! Compel him!
He's
He's
not,
not
it's
being
not
compelled.
working. It's not working.
Oh
Where did
my,
he's just on the
what
ceiling.
is
He's on the
doing?
ceiling. Everyone pull out their fucking shotguns on this man. Fuck him.
No way it was that
doing?
easy.
He's
Oh.
eating the sulfite.
Oh, yo, bro.
Oh!
Does anyone got more sticky bombs?
I don't.
I do. Unless he's dead.
He's still glowing. He ain't dead.
Alright, I got a sticky bomb. Watch out. It
Speak,
missed.
you fucking idiot!
I know, I missed. Okay, this one didn't miss. That one didn't miss.
He's dying. Getting up on him. Oh, he got me.
Yeah, cocksucker. Dude, feast, feast, feast.
I can't feast. I can.
How much armor did we get? 4 creepy armor. Damn.
He's worth 10.
God damn.
We killed him quicker than last time. All this fucking ammo.
Timmy got knocked down this hole.
Timmy got thrown.
He's so scary.
Damn. I
Oh
don't
shit, they're
actually
preparing us, bro. Look at that.
Medicine, ammo. Oh shit, look at all this ammo.
That still wasn't a lot in full perspective, but. Oh, they're preparing the shit out of us.
Yeah, they are. Holy shit. Wow, the stun gun ammo. Holy shit.
All right, yeah, look, we all gotta fucking.
Oh shit.
It's just time.
Alright, go, go, go.
Missing
Oh,
one
we all have to
person.
do it. We all have to do it.
Yeah, yeah.
What do you
Oh,
see,
this,
Timmy?
This is completely.
How'd your
How's-
laptop not
how's
break?
IP address?
Fucking. Man's.
What is it, Timmy?
Uh,
Oh, I didn't
Who
know
are
there was
those
people,
people?
with us.
Who the fuck was
I
that?
don't know. I
Dylan
don't
got
know.
left behind.
One made it.
So what?
Yeah, he's counting down. Oh, he's turning.
Oh, we're gonna have to kill Timmy? What the fuck?
Timmy! What the fuck was that?
What's
Yo.
That's an alien planet, bro.
What is the forest?
What the fuck? That's Cap. No,
Why
you
did-
haven't.
People are flying up here.
Yo, that's crazy.
What the fuck?
No, Timmy. Oh,
Thank you,
bro.
This is the soul of everybody we killed. I think this is the end of the game. We're just trying to beat it tonight.
Oh.
That's the game. Oh my god.
Oh, watch. There's gonna be a big guy that comes out. Just watch.
How do we get out?
Yeah,
Oh,
see?
it's the hand guy. Oh, what's happening to Timmy, bro?
Timmy, no!
Yeah, that
Timmy
man
got
did
clapped
something.
instantly. Instantly got clapped. Oh, there's the fucking. Oh, he just
Do you know the Muffin Man?
got 8, bro. That's tough.
Did you see? What did you see?
Who is that man?
It's that Asian guy. Oh, bro,
What was in the cube, bro?
Oh, Timmy's going ham. Oh, he
Watch
got-
him. Watch
He
these.
just got squashed.
Bro,
Alright,
watch
let's
these
carry real quick, let
motherfuckers
us
make
carry
a
it.
third one.
Oh shit, he's still in the
Yo.
fucking hell. Oh fuck!
I just
Hold
threw
on,
a
hold
sticky
on.
bomb on you, sir. Please get away. Yeah, take that.
Gotta
Let me
reload.
get mine out. I'm throwing a sticky bomb.
I'll throw some fucking grenades real quick. I threw a grenade on him. I threw a grenade. Don't
He's
go near
dead.
him.
A seagull hit my grenade!
Well, he's not dead yet.
He threw
Jesus.
so many grenades on him.
Oh!
Oh, get
You
away from him! Get away from
man.
him!
I'm trying! Is he dead?
He's
dead.
dead.
What?
Oh, okay, that was quick.
What?
Okay, well, now we get a cutscene.
It's because there were so many of us, bro. Chucking explosives.
Look, they're coming down. They're gonna
Is
check
this
up
me,
on us.
Maurice, or does he got nerfed?
Well,
No, you know,
we
it's
all
just
were
with
throwing
infinite
grenades at
ammo,
him.
so.
And we were throwing grenades at him.
You made it. You're okay.
Look, it's the dad. It's the guy from the first forest. Oh,
Oh.
shit.
All those guys just walking to their deaths.
Quick, get in.
I'm staying, bro.
What the fuck?
Stay. I'm staying.
Don't go near it.
I'm going near it,
Don't go
bro.
near it.
It wants you to stay. Don't listen to it.
I'm staying, bro. Fuck that. I'm grabbing my pack back.
Fuck you, Timmy!
Alright, everyone get on.
What does it mean,
Everyone
though?
should leave.
Is there an alternate ending, though?
I don't know. Retreat.
Everybody
Everyone
grab
get
the
on
bag.
here.
Grab the bag.
Don't.
You can now create a creative mode game. Oh, okay.
Creative
Goodbye,
mode.
Timmy. Well, they just straight up left us.
There you
Whoa, look at that from the mountain. Look at that.
go. Oh,
Damn.
jeez.
Well, they just left
Alright.
us.
Wait, is that a new thing? That yellow thing?
Save up.
Damn. Well, I guess we're stuck on the island forever now.